The dog. Mr. Doggy, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Hello, Mr. Danny the dog. This is a dog. His name is Danny. Let's learn about Danny the dog. Danny the dog has 2 eyes, 2 big ears, 1 nose, and a mouth. He has 4 legs to walk and a tail. They are very good friend of human. They provide us protection. They protect our house, our building, and many more. Dog likes to eat biscuits and meat. The baby dog is called a puppy. Please subscribe our channel to get more videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.